Life Journey! Welcome back to our channel, and this is me again, Miss Angie! Annyeonghaseyo! Hi mga ka-Life Journey! Kamusta na po kayo? And Happy New Year po sa ating lahat! So panimula po ito ng ating bagong taon and panibagong pag-asa naman po sa buhay natin. So tuloy-tuloy pa rin po tayo guys, pero before po tayo magpatuloy, ito nga po pala yung makikita ninyo sa inyong screen ngayon, which is yan po yung nakaraang lesson po natin na napag-aralan na po natin. Okay po? So guys, our journey for today is still for continuation pa rin po ito ng lesson po natin, which is Rules of Consonants, lesson number 5, part 5. And guys, this is the last part po ng Rules of Consonants. So, simulan na po natin. Kadya! The last part of Rules of Consonants, lesson number 5, part 5. Number 12. Letter T. When this alphabet is in any position, this alphabet is pronounced as letter T sounds. Ibig sabihin guys, kapag ang alphabet na ito is nasa anumang posisyon ng isang Korean word, letter T sounds po yung pagbigkas dito. Okay po? So for example is tada. Tada. Ibig pong sabihin is to ride, then romanization, tada. Okay po? Another example is hotel. Hotel. Ibig pong sabihin is hotel, then romanization, hotel. Okay? Then, another example, which is last example po, is meet. Meet. Ibig pong sabihin is bathroom, then romanization, meet. Okay po? Number 13. Letter P. When this alphabet is in any position, this alphabet is pronounced as letter P sounds. Okay? Ibig kong sabihin guys, kapag ang alphabet na ito is nakita nyo po sa anumang posisyon ng isang Korean word, letter P sounds po yung pagbigkas dito. Okay po? So for example po is pal. Pal. Ibig pong sabihin is arms, then romanization, pal. Okay po? Another example is apuda. Apuda. Ibig sabihin is to be sick, then romanization, apuda. Okay? Another example is up. Up. Ibig sabihin is front, then romanization, up. Okay? Last example naman po is bogoshipda. Bogoshipda. Ibig sabihin is I miss you, then romanization is bogoshipda. Okay? Number 13. Letter H or letter T. When this alphabet is in the initial and medial position, this alphabet is pronounced as letter H sounds. Ibig sabihin guys, kapag ang alphabet na ito is nakita nyo po sa unahan at sa gitnang posisyon po ng isang Korean word, letter H sounds po yung pagbigkas dito. Okay po? For example, Hangeul. Hangeul. Ibig sabihin po is Korean alphabet, then romanization is Hangeul. Okay po? Another example is hada. Hada. Ibig sabihin is to do, then romanization, hada. Then last example naman po is saranghada. Saranghada. Ibig sabihin is to love, then romanization is saranghada. Okay? Then guys, when this alphabet naman po is in the final position, this alphabet is pronounced as letter T sounds. Ibig sabihin guys, kapag ang alphabet na ito is nakita nyo po sa huling posisyon po ng isang Korean word, letter T sounds po yung pagbigkas dito. Okay? So, for example is jot. Jot. Ibig sabihin is good, then the romanization is jot. Okay? So yun guys, dito na po magtatapos yung rules of consonants natin. But still, marami pa rin po tayong pag-aaralan. So dapat continuous pa rin po yung pag-aaral natin regarding dito. Kasi nga po yung goal natin is maipasa ang EPS Topic Exam sa POEA para maging isang EPS Worker o Factory Worker sa bansang South Korea. Hanggang dito na lang po muna tayo. And for our next training, ipagpapatuloy po natin ito. Marami po tayong pag-aaralan regarding dito, kaya naman po, asahan ko po ulit kayo for our next video. So guys, always remember, in life, it's a long journey. Kaya naman, marami tayong makakasalubong na mga challenges. Harapin mo, enjoy mo lang at palagi mo tatandaan na ang buhay ay isang paglalakbay. Happy living and to God be the glory. Hanggang sa muli, annyeong! Bye-bye! Maraming salamat po sa panonood and please, wag po natin kalimutang mag-like and mag-subscribe po dito sa ating channel. And also, please, pakihit na rin po ang bell button para po updated po tayo sa lahat ng videos na i-upload ko. So, maraming salamat po. Kamsahamnida!